The famous Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker. I've heard great things about this brand for years, so I had to see for myself. Is it really worth it? Well, there are a few things that really stood out to me. The first is just how consistent it is. I'm always throwing in different amounts of rice and different amounts of water, and somehow the rice comes out the same every single time. Fluffy, even, never scorched. I don't have to babysit it, and I never end up with that crusty layer stuck to the bottom. The second is the size. It's a tiny device, which ended up being a big plus. It barely takes up any counter space, and the little carrying handle makes it really easy to move around, which is perfect if you live in a big city with a small apartment, or if you're just cooking for a small group of people. And the last thing is just how easy it is to use. I really only bought it to make rice, but even for that single purpose, it's been incredibly convenient. I don't have to stand over the stove, I don't have to worry about burning anything, and cleanup takes maybe 20 seconds. And it does exactly what it's supposed to do every single time. If I had to point out a few downsides, there are definitely some things to consider. First, the inner pot is not dishwasher safe, so you do have to hand wash it every time. Thankfully, it cleans fast, but it's still an extra step. It also cooks a little slower than I expected. It's hands-off, which is great, but if you're in a hurry, it's not the fastest option. And because it's only a 3-cup cooker, you can't make large meals or really big batches. It's really only meant for 2 to 3 people at a time. So, is it worth it? If you want a small, reliable cooker that makes great rice without any thinking or any effort, yeah, I think it's worth it. If you cook for a big family or want huge batches of rice, you probably want something a little larger. But for everyday meals, I've been extremely happy with it.